All right, we are back with another hair video. This is Chabella TV, and we have hair from Wiggins hair. Oh wait, let me put it. There we go. We have 4 bundles of Peruvian loose wave, I think. Anyways, my hair is freshly washed, and I'm gonna go ahead and prep it so that I can style it. I'm so excited. I'm doing a I want to do a versatile part quick weave, because I want to be able to wear it in the side and on the middle and in the middle. So my hair is washed and deep conditioned and kind of pre-prepped. I'm going to spray it with a little bit of Olaplex, and then we're going to use a round brush to blow dry my hair so I can like braid it up and all of that.
My killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my picture to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna coach you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, get some me time.
Okay, so my hair's blown out now. It is ready to be braided up. So since I want to do a versatile quick weave, I'm going to do kind of like an off-center part. That's how I've been doing it in the past, and then obviously like all of my braids on the outside. Okay, so I changed my mind. I'm doing the middle part because I don't want to stress about it.
I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I'd up myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come
back. Do not judge me because these are very like thrown together braids. But I went ahead and braided it so that my sides are left out, and I have one tiny braid in the back. And then I have this big one in the front because I'm going to part it, and then this is going to be our leave out piece right here. So let's go ahead and install our cap. I am so stupid. I have I have 2 clear tan caps. So let's see if we can make this work with tan caps. And I could just 100% like, hey, but I'm like, girl, to be completely honest with you, I do not have money to keep like paying to get my hair done. These girls are expensive down here. My ears are out, so step 1, I have this free spray that I bought from the beauty supply store. And it's for ponytails, but I think you can go ahead and just spray. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray the braids that are not the leave out, and then I'm gonna hit it with the dryer right after that. So I'm not spraying this, I'm spraying. And I'm gonna do this like 3 times.
I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
We're gonna spray it again. Let's spray it one more time. Okay, now we're going to take our hair glue and we're going to go throughout the perimeter, and we're going to basically just seal in our cap. We're going to seal the cap on our head, and then we're going to let this dry. this is how our cap looks. It's looking super crazy, and I didn't even want to record it, so I'm like, oh my gosh, like, this is my first time doing my hair like this. So I don't want to give anyone any advice, and I don't know what I'm doing. So the hair that we're using today is from Wiggins hair. It is 218s and 220s of Peruvian loose wave. This is the quality. I feel like it's pretty hair. So my first track is going to be at the very nape of my neck, and I kind of want to just lay them obviously like really close together. Let me get the first couple on and then I'll come back. Okay guys, we are wrapping up the style now. I kind of just did the rest of my hair off camera because yeah, it was just taking too long to like keep pressing the record button. But anyways, here we are, we're at the top. I have only used 2 of the bundles at the bottom, 2 of the 20-inch, and then this is the 18-inch that I'm putting in at the top. And as you can see, I still have quite a bit of hair left and not a lot of space. So I'm just going like section per section, pre-measuring the hair. Like I'm following this black line on my cap and just using that as a guide. And I'm putting the hair down in a U pattern. And at this point, I'm laying the tracks really close together because I really want to maximize the amount of hair that I have out. And I start kind of in the middle, put that down first. And then now this part gets a little tricky because you have to like make the U shape here. So I just make sure I put the end of the track there and kind of just press, like press around in a U until the other side meets the other black line. And I've been doing this track by track since the back of my hair, so I wanted to just show you guys how I'm installing this. So obsessed with the hair. It's so pretty. It's so soft. I mean, look, you can tell that it's soft just by like looking at the camera. So what I'm gonna do now is finish cutting the middle, and then we're gonna take care of this left out section. Wish you would just focus on me. Focus on me. Okay, so I just took this braid out, and like I said, I gotta go and like cut this off, but I need help, so I'm not gonna do that right this second. But the hair is in. It is looking so beautiful, so pretty. So what I'm gonna do is I'll probably put some soft curls in it. I'm really excited to see what this hair is gonna do. All right guys, I went ahead and pin curled my whole head, and I just now realized that this side I pinned going back and this side I pinned going forward, but I feel like it's too late at this point. So we're gonna see how these look. Let's take them down. Let's take them down together. Sweat change, but I noticed the end. It's called, ooh, how pretty. So pretty. Look at the luster. I'm obsessed, you guys. Obsessed. Wow. It's giving bad bitch, bad bitch, bad bitch. All right, so this is how the hair turned out. So pretty. I went ahead and just curled the whole thing. The hair is very soft to the touch, and I just very loosely curled it with like a 2-inch barrel curling wand. Thank you so much. Again, this hair is from Wiggins hair. It is, honestly, I ended up putting 3 bundles in. I put 2 20s in the back and an 18 in the front, and then I cut the front to give it a little bit of layers. But this hair is so cute. It came out so nice, and yes, I cannot wait to style it. I can like put it up like this is it in a ponytail, very flat, very cute. And I can also put it up because, well, halfway, because I need to cut the rest of my cap off. Forgot to do that. But yes, we can put it up into a pony if we wanted to. Let me see. Yeah, so when I get some help to cut off the extra cap on the side, I'll be able to put it up as well. So yes, so pretty, so pretty. I think tonight I'm gonna try the sock method, because basically we're gonna take socks and tube socks and flexi rods, and you curl your hair with it and it gives you like overnight curls. So I think I'm gonna try that. Other than that, the hair is so pretty. I'm in love with it so far. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.